Well, guys, how you doing? I found myself new packs of Pokemon cards at the Flying J truck stop. So I'm like, you know what? Let's give them a shot. I said in my last video I was not gonna buy Fusion Strikes, but when opportunity shows itself, you go for it. So you know what? Hey, I bought like 6 packs, and I'm like, you know what? Let's try my luck. Oh, guys, I've been busy. Been running. Yep, just went down to Florida. New cold card, looks pretty cool. Went down to Florida. Now I'm up here in Virginia. So made my delivery. I'm at the customer, but I kind of made a mistake. Kind of told my company I was not gonna make it on time to the customer, and eventually I made it to the customer on time. Now I had to reschedule my appointment for tomorrow morning, and it's not looking good. I'm looking at reviews of this place on Google Maps, and they're saying they take up to a day or two just to get to your truck. And I'm like, you know what? I'm trying to make it home for Thanksgiving. Wow. My first holographic right there. Audius. Oh, nice little padding on that one. Gengar. So Fusion Strike, one of the biggest sets ever for Pokemon. And 264 cards. And that's just a regular common ones. So it's a big set. Mankey. Nice looking Mankey. Over. Latios. Green card. Tortwig. Is that Tortwig? No. Togglemaru. Green card. Put that right there. Latios over here. Try with Mew. Man. I wish Thanksgiving was not coming up so close. I wish I had more time so I don't have to be rushing. Now I have to rush everywhere I go because I want to be home for Thanksgiving, but that's the pressure that comes with the job. That's the other reason I like the job, because gives you that rush. So I parked up, made it with 1 minute to spare. So, my company forgot to tell me they was gonna change the schedule, and when I was checking in, this guy's like, "Oh, they changed the schedule 30 minutes ago." I'm like, great, right when I was already down here. So, well, it's really my mistake. I was the one who was like, oh yeah, I think I'm not gonna make it to the appointment, so you guys could reschedule it for Tuesday morning. And I'm like, no, I made it here. I'm like, fuck. I'm like, screwed. Oh, crap. Yeah. Figures. This is why I didn't want to buy this set. Not really good pulls, man. They're nice looking cards, but man, not good pulls. But well, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna take my rest, but I just want to make this video out. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and give me the thumbs up or thumbs down.